Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Mimeograph Monday with a twist, but I'm actually going to postpone this week. I'm like fighting a migraine, so I'm just gonna quickly share with you the product of the month for August and my little mini masterpiece for August, and then I'm gonna go lay down. So I apologize for that, but hopefully I'll be feeling better and we'll be back to normal tomorrow for my Teach Me Tuesdays. So let me just get this done really quick and it'll be fast for both of us today. Okay, so hold on while I adjust my camera. Okay, now I don't have the paper or the DSP yet. I just have a picture. But this is the August 2026 product of the month, and it's the Glow of Harvest DSP. And to earn the product of the month, you have to order 75 before tax and shipping in my store. And then you add the product of the month to your cart. Now remember to do that. It's $5 because it doesn't automatically get added to your cart, so make sure you do that. But this is some really pretty paper with the pumpkins and some acorns and stuff like that. And I think they said that it has, it glows a little bit, like that's why the name of it is that, like maybe there's some foil. So as soon as I earn it and get it, I will share the real paper with you. All right, now I want to show you the little mini masterpiece. You know me, I could not wait to play with their little Winter Wilma that I found thrifting. So I thought she would be cute to do for August. So if you order 75 before tax and shipping in my store for the month of August, now that could be, a couple orders, together. It's the same 75. Like this, you have to do 75, but this has to be a single order. But my mini masterpiece is, you can combine orders as long as it's in the same month. So you might order 50 one time and then you might order 50 another time or something, and then that would qualify. But just know if you earn the product of the month, that's a 75. So you also earn the little mini masterpiece. But she is so cute. And I had fun coloring her and her little kitty, and she fit on there so well. And then this is the one that everybody was earning in July. So as soon as my reports, finalize or whatever, I'll work on those and get those sent out to you with your thank you card. But for August, it is this one. All right, so let me say, so that was really short. I apologize. but yeah, so I don't know what's going on, if it's temperature or what, but I'm just gonna go lay down for a bit, and I will see you tomorrow for my Teach Me Tuesdays, and that will be at 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. Have a good day, and I'll see you later. Bye for now.